Jackpot sa cakes. Ano to? Oreo cakester. Ay. Sariya ang saya. Uy, may karne. Hala, ang lamig. Ang lamig pa, oh. Chicken breast tender. Awesome! Wow! Daming chocolate. Oh, what you got, love? Oh, wow! Hala! Nice! Silipin natin itong si Mr. Bean. Uy! Uy! Ano yun? May toys. May pana-pana ko na. Ano to? Ay! Pang ano to ng pusa, oh. Oh, ano to? Scratch. Ay, sira-sira. Sira-sira na yung ano ng pusa. Oh, may toys. Huh? May toys. Ano ba? Ano kaya ito? Ano saan kaya ito? Huh? Ano saan ito? I don't know what is that for. Oh, there's some seeds. Okay. I'll take this, give it to the birds. They'll eat the chips ahoy. Chips ahoy. Uy! Ano chips ahoy, oh? Isang buong ano. Tinapon nila. Yan. Ito pang Halloween. Nilagay natin sa wall. Ano, oh. Lagit mo. Ay, basag. Basag na siya. Broken. What's this? Mega slime liquor. Okay. What else is that here? Silly streamer. Open na. Ano to? Oh. Kunin natin to, Chucky. Kunin natin yan. Chucky. Chucky. Toys. Na. Ano natin yung ibang bag. Yun kaya yun. May lamang kaya yun. Ay, wala may laman. Alam, madami yun ah. Okay. Oreo cakester. Pakuha natin kay Kano. Kasi hindi ko mabuhat yan. Kuhain natin ang stick na lang pala. Kuhain natin stick. May bag na ako. Tingnan natin. Sana may laman. Ang dami ito. Okay. Sana hindi mabuta. Ayun, wala, madami. Wow. Ayun, huwag ka mabutas, please. Ang dami. May mga chocolate. Ay, wow. Hala, tingnan nyo, ang dami. Nice, ang dami. Wala, kuhanin natin gato. Sakot. Sakot sa cakes. Ano to? Oreo cakester. Nice. Sorry, ang saya. Ang saya ng Oreo cakester. Buti na lang napansin ko. Ito pa oh. Puro Oreo. Wow. Dapat sa Bicolana oh. Ang dami oh. Nice. May M&M oh. Ang saya. Huh? Ang saya naman. Yes. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Baka may ibang tao dun. Yeah, we'll look here. Maybe there's stuff in here.
Weird.
That's Oreo. Oh, ooh. Halloween stuff. Oh, there's another one.
Uh-huh.
Huh? I found that before.
Yeah.
Oh, towel.
Mm-hmm.
It's new. Oh, ball. Volleyball. 4-pack training ball. Oh, that's for dog. Oh, I will take this for Halloween. There's a cotton candy. Lemonade strawberry. It's not cotton candy anymore.
It's just sugar now.
Yeah, they
What
shrink.
about sugar?
They shrink. SpongeBob. Salmon. Oh, I think this is for. I think this is. Yeah, I'll take that. Will you give me another bag, love? Thank you. Wacky string. Sorry, makuha natin ito sa 5 below. Oh, may mirror. May crack. May crack na yung mirror. Kainitin natin. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Ano to, uy? May ano? Ano naman ba to? Uy, meron, no? May headset. Bluetooth. Bluetooth headset. Oh, there's another one. Thank you. What was this? S'mores and s'mores on the stick. We'll give it to Slow. Huh?
Yeah.
Give it to Slow.
What about the rubber stick?
Oh, look. Super Mario. Huh? What is that for? Oh, okay. I'll put it in my garden. That one. Uy, malo. Look. Oh, it's broken.
What is it?
It's dinosaur.
Animal science.
Unbelievable science. Mega animal science. Oh, you're gonna paint it. It's broken, huh?
Oh, that don't matter.
You think it'll still be okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Wala na.
Let's find out.
And there's another one, oh. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Well, fun games. Just when I put that there.
Oh, put this back in there. It's broken. We'll send this to the Philippines. Therefore, kids will have fun with that. Alright. Awesome.
So that when winter comes, we can dig in here.
Oh. We'll see. I don't think I wanna. But we'll see.
For the
Tingnan natin sa kabilang side. Smells donut in here.
Couch cat scratcher.
Yeah, they're They're messed up.
Yeah.
No good.
You know, they made that kind of stuff. That hardware turns.
I know. Wala na. Tara na. Ooh. Uy, look. Oh. Thai style red curry soup. Oh, it's not good na. It's not cold anymore. What we got there? Makuha kaya tayo dito mga man. Oh, that seems cold.
And heavy.
I think it has pakwan in it.
Mm.
Yeah, it has fruit. Ala, tingnan natin ito mga Mars. Kalkal basura na naman ang mushroom. Ayan na naman siya. Tada! Bakit sa heavy? Uy, there's some eggs. I see some eggs. Turkey. Ano to? Hummus, creamy. Uy, masarap to. Bukas na ba? Hindi. Masarap yung hummus. Masarap yung sa ano. Ito, patag na. Ano to? Uy, may grapes. More cheese. Oh, ang ganda ng grapes, oh. Organic. Nice. Uy, may whole chicken. May itlog. Yan natin itong itlog. Oh, nice. Okay. Pasture raised egg. My bread. Ano to? Bread. Multi-grain. Uy, sarap siguro ito. Ano? Kunin natin yan. Malamig yung tinapay. Oh, pag inugas. Ay, bukas. Bukas. Ano siguro yan. Look, ito. Mayroong bukas na cheese. Sayang. Ito may ano. Ay, alam, lamig pa. Mayroon tayong Thai chicken. Ay, may beef. Shaved beef. Ayan. Oh, yun ang pakwan. Yun ang nagpabigat pala. May pakwan. May pakwen. At ano to? Cantaloupe. Tingnan natin kung pwede pa. Ay, wala. Bulok na. Bulok na ang melon na. Okay. Oh, what you got, love? Oh, wow! Hala! Nice! Oh, this one is open. Oh, wee! Awesome! Cinnamon school book cookie. Nice! Hala, kunin natin lahat yan. Let's get the whole bag. Wow! Oh! There's more?
It's still frozen.
Oh!
Whatever it is. Oh, it's shrimp.
Wow, this is the Langostini, raw Argentina red shrimp. Wow! Oh my goodness! Yes, kunin natin lahat po. Halo, isang bag. Halo, nakakatuwa. Jackpot sa hipon. Ano daw yan siya? Filled tail of wild caught. Nice.
What is it?
It's a shrimp.
I thought it was shrimp.
Yeah, it's still frozen. Wow. Wala, jackpot tayo sa ano. Sa shrimp. Nice. Frozen na frozen pa, no? Okay, may naamoy akong masarap dito. Uy, succulent, oh. Uy, yung succulent. Hello. Ang gaganda, oh. Naku. Lugin sila nagtapo ng succulent dito. Ang ganda ng ano, oh. Alam niyo yung succulent ko na ano siya. Hindi na ano ng winter ba. Pinasok ko naman sila. Ayan, oh. Isang set siguro itong tinapon nila. Ganda nito, yellow yung ano, oh. Flower. Ano pa? Uy, ano to? Malamig, oh. Carnita salsa verde burrito. Ang lamig. Isang box, oh. Haluan ng ano ng succulent. You want some burrito? Oh, thank you. I love you. My
There's a whole
roses.
box.
Whoa, that smells good.
Burrito?
I
Yes.
just got one.
How many do you want?
Huh? Just one. But this one has broken. It's a whole box.
Uh-huh.
Oh no.
You can plant them.
Yeah. Ang ganda. Oh, pulang-pula. Nagtapunan ng ano. Nakasild naman siya. Ang lamig oh. Ay, may bag pala. Nakalimutan. May bag pala akong dala.
Beautiful.
Yes. Oh, wow. Nice. Ang ganda. Oh, this one is cute. Yes. I'm going to plant this. Wala, alam niyo ang mahal kaya nito. Pabuki ang asawa ko. Ang sweet naman. Ay, may karne oh. Malamig pa. That one is yellow.
Sad, but
It's cute.
It's yellow.
It's a peppercorn garlic pork. Malamig pa. Alan ba yan nahalo sa ano oh. Hugasan na lang natin to. Kasi sayang baga oh. Silyado naman yan. Hindi ka na mag-inarte. May mga ano siya ng ano. Ng flowers yan oh. Yung tinapon nila. Ayun oh. Yung ano ng ano. Flowers. Succulent pa. Okay. Hindi na. Oh wow, look at that.
It's beautiful.
Okay, I'm done with that. Ba't parang may ano? Ay, may isa na. Parang wala mang laman ito.
So healthy.
Oh, wow, look at that. Wonder why they throw that. Wala man dito. Mahal wala man dito, oh. Wala. Parang ano to, yung pinagkainan nila ba? Alright. Ayun. Yan natin yung may makuha pa siya. Kuhanin natin yung cookies, syempre. O, diba? Isang box ng cookies. Nice. Saya naman. Ay, may basa. May basa pala dun. Sa pinan natin. Para ano. Sa pinan natin. Doon na lang natin yung lagay. Carnitas. We're not taking all of
These are all-
Oh, this is no. I don't want that.
Yeah.
That is
They might grow.
I already have that.
Oh, you do? No, just
Well,
a few
that's
of the
enough.
good ones.
Oh, paano niya lahat yun? Yan. Lagay natin to sa kulay. May dala akong insulated bag.
What about these? You have these?
I don't think that will grow though.
No?
Yeah. Alright. Sayang man ito nabuksan oh. That's enough, love. That's enough. Oh. What is this? There's chopping board. There's chopping board in here. Oh. 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 Ano po to? I'll take that. Chopping board. Oh, mahal. They have Danish Kringle na.
What about this?
No.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. What? just need water. That's it, look. You can't take it off.
Yeah, I know.
Ipa-chopping.
You never know which ones will grow.
Ipa-chopping board. Alright, tara na. Ano natin yan? Ang ganda. This is beautiful. Oh. Tanim ko ba yan? Tanim ko yan. Ang cute naman ito. Ang cute, oh. Mabuhay kaya ito. Try natin. Hindi natin sa ano, flower base. Ito hindi na pwede. Oh.
Oh, pick these.
I have one. That one?
This one and this one.
Okay.
These are different than the other ones.
How are they?
Yeah.
Oh, this is, yeah. What? Oh, wow. Look at the flowers. They're big. Oh, I will take this. I will plant it. Look. Yeah, it's old enough to plant. Hello, Mr. Bean. Uy. Ang daming ano, oh. Ang daming gulay. Oh. Ang daming gulay. Lang it, ano, Mr. Bean. Ano to? Hindi ako nagdala ng stick. Oh, may pizza dun, oh. May pizza dun sa kabila. Hindi natin nabot. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Uy, may karne. Hala, ang lamig. Ang lamig pa, oh. Chicken breast. Tender. Kunin ko nga ito. Sayang ito. Ang lamig pa, oh. Oh. Nice. Parang nalaglag siguro to. Uy, may pork pa doon, oh. Dahan-dahan lang manay, ha. Hindi ka pwede magbuhat ng mabigat. What? Kunin natin. Yan. At itong chicken, whole chicken. At itong ground beef. Grass-fed, oh. 100% grass-fed. Okay. Parang may pork na, oh. Uy, laki ng pork, oh. Pork loin. Ano pa, malaki. Bagong tapon ito. Oh, may shrimp pa. Nice. Trash. Binmontos vanilla, oh. Basura na doon. Ano to? Oh, may ano? May protein energy bar. Trash daw, oh. Wala mga ano, basag. Ay, separate natin. Makontaminate yung ating pagkain. Ano to? Wala lang. Bigat siya. Ito yung saging, oh. Ang ganda ng saging. Saan natin to? Ay, hindi na pwede. Dalawang pirasong saging. Tag-isa kami ni Kana. Wala na dito. saging. Ang dami palang saging dito. Ay, hindi na. Kuha na natin itong sa gilid. Ayan. Oh, ha? Pwede po kaya to. Green pa yung iba, oh. Mabigat. Hindi ko siya ma-lift up. Will you get the grabber? And the bag, love?
Huh?
In the bag.
In the back.
Thank you. Sabi niya, bilisan ko daw. May mga nakita tayo. Diba? Ito, stuff. Uy! Stuffed baby Bella mushroom. Ano to? Artichoke, spinach. Pwede po kaya ito? Hindi na malamig masyado. Baka hindi na pwede. Saging. Saging lang ang may puso. What's it at? What is it? Is it rice? Let me see. Oh, I knew it. Oh, wow. It's brown rice, love.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. We'll take this.
The whole bag.
Yeah. We'll take the whole bag. Did you see any more in there? May ano tayo? Ay. Gusto ko umakyat kasi hindi ako pwede mag-akyat. Mag-ingat tayo. Kasi ang ating bibi. Ang ating bibi. Laylo mo na si Bicolana. Oh, mahal. I want some mango. There's a lot of mango in here, oh.
Oh.
Yeah. I hope that's mango. Please be careful. If you move this paper, I think you'll see it.
I can grab a purple onion and a white onion.
Okay. There's a bug in here, oh. Oh, Mr. Bin provided with the bag. What? Please don't fall.
Oh, here it is.
Wow. Hey. Yeah. It's hard because, you know,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Oh, you wanted mango.
Just take a bit. Oh, it is mango, is it? Oh, sorry. Ah, it's mango. Oh, no, it's not. It's papaya. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
papaya. I
You
thought it's
want
mango. No, it's okay. I'm good. Okay, you may wanna check that one. I think there's stuff. If it's not good stuff, leave it.
Billboard.
What is that? Handful bite. I don't think we would. We
They
would.
got a bunch of stuff in here.
I don't, there's a chocolate. I saw this at the bottom. I mean, I saw this at the ground. Dairy.
Yeah.
Is there's more?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
bunch.
that's chocolate with
Let me go on the other side.
almond.
Here's the wall.
If it's hard, don't mess with it.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, what you got? Oh, what is it? 100 grams free garlic paste. It's a garlic paste.
Is it real garlic? Look at the ingredients.
I'll look the ingredients. No,
No.
no.
That's too bad. Oh,
There's other stuff on it.
what are these?
No, I don't think we want to eat this. It's spiced lentil cupcakes baked with sesame crust tops. Oh, more rice! Wow! Ah, nice! Brown rice. That's awesome. Hello mga mors, oh, may bigas tayo. Oh, this is white rice. And this one, oh, nakasealed pa, oh. Hello, jackpot size. So bigas, tinapon na. Mahal, please be careful.
So this is not garlic?
No, it has other stuff. Also, ano yung ingredients? Garlic, salt, water, acetic acid, sodium, potassium. That's the ingredients. What is this? Uy! Whole box? Nice! It's a chocolate. Hello, tingnan nyo. Oh, dairy milk. There's more. Dairy milk chocolate.
I don't know if that's been opened or what. Or even what it is.
Glucon. Also, vitamins. This is vitamins. It seems open. Ooh. No, it's not open. It's vitamins.
So, do we want these or not?
No. No, I don't want that.
Okay. Die.
Tara na, if wala na.
Oh, there's a bunch.
A bunch of what?
Those candy bars.
Oh,
Yeah, and other stuff.
you want a bag?
Yeah, I need a bag. In a box. Here.
Oh, there's more of this?
Yeah.
Nice, Mahal, get this all.
Oh, what's this?
Those are all chocolate. Dairy milk. Oh, wow, choco roll cookies. I want to go up there. I wish. I wish. I'll give you a bag.
Okay.
This is a bag, oh.
Mm.
What do you think? I'll give you another one.
Oh, let me reposition.
Okay. You should wear the camera, though.
Huh?
You should wear the camera.
Hmm.
But it's okay.
Well, it'll be a quiet video if I were.
I'll get the bag.
Okay.
Okay. Here, love. You found one?
Bag.
Nice.
Let's see what we got here.
Okay. Hindi tayo. Kita ng ano.
What's this?
Maybe there's more rice. Your light is shining the sky.
Oh, sorry. Hmm.
Oh, oh, it's a flour. It's flour, Mahal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll take that. Na-open lang siya. Siyempre, nasa ibabaw naman. Sayang.
Okay.
Oh, more vitamins. It's a Nimbu Pani. Oh, my light.
Ah,
Oh, nice. Use more of this. Awesome. Wow. Daming chocolate. May bigas pa tayo. Oy, sorry.
hmm.
Rusk.
Okay.
Milk premium rusk. This cracker. This seems like they throw a lot of good stuff.
Yeah. Really.
Different kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, because I think it's trash pickup tomorrow here.
Oh, maybe that's why.
Yeah.
So a lot of these dairy milk things, what are they?
This is chocolate.
It's chocolate?
Yeah, that has with almond nuts.
Oh man, yum.
Yeah, those are dairy milk. Tingnan natin. With fruit and nuts.
There's a bunch of those.
Okay.
A lot.
You don't have to get it all.
Oh, some more rice.
Oh, nice. Is it?
Okay.
Awesome. Would be nice if you have the camera.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry, guys.
It's okay. They will understand. Don't hurt yourself.
Wow, they threw so much. Oh, it's a different kind.
Oh, let me see. Oh, it's Duplo Choconut. Oh, it's hazelnut. Mom, it has hazelnut on it. Oh, this is probably like Nutella flavored thing. What you got? Oh, wow. Nice. Millet biryani. Grocery sa atin si Mr. Bean. Let me see.
Jalapeno chakri.
Oh. Jalapeno chuck. Snack food.
They went shopping.
They went shopping for us. Baldi.
I don't know what this is. Anything you don't want?
Yeah. It's a almond. Oh, almond and sweet. Oh, there's more. Ano po shopping sa atin? Oh, this is probably no good. No, because it's open.
Oh, this other bag of rice is ripped.
It's open. Oh, leave him.
Let me see. I think it ripped when they threw it in,
Probably.
but it's not. I don't know.
Is it white rice?
Brown sona masoon.
You're blinding them.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Oh, there's no good
Okay.
because it has bugs on it.
Oh, let me help.
Okay. Oops. They have bugs.
We'll let the bugs have it.
Yeah. You don't have to get it all up.
Some purple yam.
Oh, want some purple yam? If there's purple,
They're not very
that's
big.
not purple yam.
What is that?
That's a sweet potato.
Oh,
Okay. Nice. Wow, that's a lot of chocolate. Wow. Nice.
oh,
Oh,
Pringle.
Kringle.
Huh?
Let me see. Oh yeah, I want that. I want that one. Tomato twist. Tangy. Tangy.
Tangy. Tangy. Oh,
Tangy.
there's another one. Watch out for ants. I see some ants here.
Tangy or tangy?
What about this stuff?
That's is no instant mix. It's like dukkha mix for steamed lentil pancake.
Pancake?
I don't know. I got one
Okay.
just to try. Tara na.
Yeah.
Last na. Oh, my bugs itong isda of fresh. Yeah. Mahal, the rice has bugs.
Oh,
Yeah.
They don't eat much.
Huh?
They don't eat much.
Please be careful. Oh. Oh. They have bugs. Oh, look at this white rice. Maybe it has bugs too.
Can float them out.
I know. Oh, this one is good. This one is okay. This one is sealed. Okay, tara na.
Just
Flour. You can put them in here. Oh, this one is open.
it's taped.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. See,
Barnyard millet.
they put tape on it.
What is it? Hello mga Mars! Ayan, ito na yung ating mga nakuha. Ayan, madami-dami po tayong nakuha. Isa-isahin na po natin yung ating nakuha. Ayan, madami tayong mga Cadbury Dairy Milk. Ayan, 4 na karton. 48 ang laman ng bawat isa. Ayan, fruit and nuts. At ito, napakadami pa. Ayan, sobrang dami. Meron tayo ditong caramel. Dairy Milk caramel. Kaunti lang yata yung caramel nito. Tapos meron ditong ano lang, nuts lang. Halo-halo na yan sila mga Mars. Ayan, ito yung whole nut. It's walnut siya yung laman niya. Ayan, sobrang dami. Oh. At meron tayo dito, Choco Roll cookie. Choco Rolls cookie. And Glucon-D, it's an energy drink. At mga cookies. Ayan ang mga cookies. Cinnamon School Book cookie. Dunker cookie. May, almond, whole almond, ayan, may biscuit, ayan, may Pringles tayo dyan, at merong Oreo, at itong Oreo Cakester, flavor nito, ayan, golden Oreo Cakester, at meron tayo dito mga Cake Bites M&M's, mini, at itong Smurfs on stick, dalawa. At meron tayo ditong Wonder Ball. Ito yung chocolate yung laman niya sa loob. Bola. At ating horror classic. Ayan Chocodal Chucky. Si Chucky at may wacky string. Ayan, wacky string. At meron tayo ditong Bluetooth headset. Wireless siya. Dual siya Pwedeng wireless, pwedeng wired. Ayan Bluetooth. At may toys tayo dito. Ayan, may toys. Yung iba hindi na nagkasya sa ating mesa. At meron tayong energy bar chocolate chip. Ayan. At ang Oreo Cakesters. Iba namang yung regular flavor siya. At may mga Chips Ahoy cookie. Big Chewy. Ayan, chocolate brownie. At ang ating shrimp. May shrimp tayo dito. Ayan At itong madaming shrimp. Pro Argentinian red. Peeled. Ayan wild caught. Ayan. At ang ating carnitas salsa verde. At ang Oreo most stuff. Ayan. At ang ating bigas. 2 kaban ng bigas. Ang dami diba? Brown and white rice. Ayan. At ang birthday cake. Matt's Bakery. Birthday cake. 2 pack. Ang may pizza tayo dito. Yung ibang karne ay hindi ko na nailagay dito. Yung ano ba yung manok na nakuha natin. At yung pork loin, hindi ko na nalagay dito, tsaka yung beef. So, ayan mga Mars, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Bye!